In the back of my mind, I repeat them one by one. I need it when I'm falling apart, and bury my head in your hands and heart. I come undone. Want you close to me, close to me. Close to me, oh close to me. When I don't have the words to breathe. Your honesty with only a line, it took me by surprise, but I don't mind anymore.
On behalf of Ethan and Kaley, let me welcome you and thank you all very much for taking time out of your afternoon to celebrate what a wonderful occasion this happens to be.
Ethan, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
as a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
As I place it on your finger,
I commit my heart and soul to you.
I commit my heart and soul to you.
I ask you to wear this ring
I ask you to wear this ring
as a reminder of the vows we've spoken,
as a reminder of the vows we've spoken,
and as a public witness
and as a public witness
to this sacred covenant.
to this sacred covenant.
What is blessed and joined by God, allow no one to separate. So Ethan, you may now kiss your bride.